Keeping a baby's bottom soft and smooth is on every parent's mind when changing the little one's diapers. Because essential oils are made up of natural and safe compounds, you can use them without worrying about adverse effects. Apply lavender and melaleuca from doTERRA's Touch line around sensitive areas. Because everyone has different skin sensitivity, the dilution is very important. Melaleuca is renowned for its cleansing and rejuvenating effect on the skin, and lavender has multiple calming and relaxing properties that can soothe occasional skin irritations. Use these oils individually on trouble spots or together as part of your regular diaper change routine. You can also make your own diaper cream. Melt 1/4 cup virgin coconut oil in a glass container and mix in 15 drops of lavender and melaleuca essential oils. Let the liquid solidify in the glass container. Then, keep your new, all-natural diaper cream stored in a cool, dry place for best results.